Hi, we have installed some of our Keystone tiles on this sample wall, and in this video I want to show you the step-by-step process how we have done it. For the installation we are going to use our manufactured Keystone tiles. First step is rolling the bonding agent on the wall. You need to make 2 buckets of materials, the white tin set and then also the mortar mix, and then just put a thin layer of tin set. Mix a quarter bag of tin set mortar with regular S-type mortar mix. Very thin layer of tin set. This is the best for the proper adhesion. And then I'm gonna just put it here. One big swing. We are about to finish this project. For the grouting, we have mixed 1 part cement, 1 part lime, and 3 parts of mason sand. And then you get a stiff brush just like this and brush everything carefully. And this is how the completed job looks like.